Alright, so these birds are now 2 weeks and 5 days old. 2 weeks and 5 days old, and they are really looking good. They are looking good. I can tell you some 4 weeks birds look just exactly the same. And don't forget, we have broilers here and we have Noilers here. So today I'm going to be showing you something very important, especially when you are using these automatic drinkers. As you can see, the drinker is empty, and I would like to have them I'd like to give them water very soon. But there's something I want to do. I want to clean their water tank. I want to have it cleaned, and that is very important. I'm going to be showing you a connection on the water tank that makes it very easy to clean. Okay, so these guys, I'm very sure in the next 2 days, when they'll be 3 weeks old, will be having over 1 kg in weight. Some of them are over 900 grams already. All right, so that's one thing I'm going to be showing you today. But before then, let me show you this. Okay, so my geese, Noilers, and turkey have been out of feed for a couple of, I think, for several hours. For several hours, and now we've got their feed. It's like they're all hungry, so I need to get something to quickly open up these bags. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Yeah, so it's feeding time. It's feeding time, guys. That's a lot of dust. Chew, 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 chew. Chew, chew, chew. The turkey likes to eat separately. Take. Take. Good boy. Good boy. All right, so I've not shown you guys that we have been harvesting a lot of eggs. The Noilers have been doing well laying for us, and it's just so good to have them around as your backyard chicken. So right now, this lady is about to lay. Can I still? Yeah, she's about to lay. Push. Let me show you your position again. Yeah, and the egg is out. That's it. So this is where we've been harvesting the eggs. They will just come here, lay, and we'll gather the eggs. At least we've gotten up to 3 crates or thereabouts. Yeah. Oh, sorry, better come and eat. All right, so this is their water tank. Water is supplied from the main water tank into this place, and this is what we can medicate. But because of the things that we pour, for example, you can see the egg emulsion close here. The egg emulsion is also here in the lab. So because of the things that we pour, sometimes it gets dirty. No matter what you pour, even if it is synthetic medications, it gets dirty. So one very important connection that you want to make is you want to add this union connector that you can easily lose whenever you want to remove this tank. So all I need to do is just lose it here, and then another one here where it is connected to the main water source. So once those two are out, then you can just lift this whole thing up. But you want to be careful because of the remnant, the remaining water that is here. You don't want it to pour on the floor, so you have to do it very carefully. So I'm just going to remove this one now. Shook those things. So you can see, and this is what we'll go and wash.